Hello everyone, in today's tutorial I will show you how to bend your text on your documents on Microsoft Office Word. So the first thing, open your Microsoft Word documents and follow these steps. As you can see, uh, just to know, we can't bend the regular texts and or regular fonts because uh, Microsoft Office Word cannot allow us, but we can insert some objects that can add editable or customizable text. To do so, all we have is to go to the Insert tab here, as you can see in this ribbon, and it will show us this menu. Here in the text, as you can see, those are the objects concerning text. Uh, After that, all we have is to click on the word art and just choose whatever we want. As you can see, we can uh, edit them however we want. You can add spacing, everything, and we can do whatever we want. As you can see, let's just do some random colors. But what we are interested in is the rotation or the bending of this object. As you can see here in the word art style, after you click on your objects, it will pop up or it will appear this tab here in the word art style. Either you will choose some already presets or presets that are in the Microsoft Office Word uh, software, or you can do some editable text. As you can see here in the change shape, we can add a path and bend our text however we want. Now you can add some curving, you can bend it however you want, or you can do it from the other side or make it even circular. As you can see, we can uh, customize our object however we want. So now we can even add some 3D effects or whatever you want to make it look bendy uh, in the manner as you want. So this is how you bend your text on Microsoft Office Word. Thank you for watching and goodbye.